Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday for all of you, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to explore the Americana, a brand here in Glendale. The Americana is not only a shopping mall, you have a lot of restaurants here to choose from, and it's also a living complex right there. And I love this fountain. And it's amazing, they always play Frank Sinatra around here. There's also a little train that passed by. I don't know where it is today, but it is perfect for kids. They have so much fun every time the train is in motion. So they have many restaurants, including cheesecake, one of my favorite ones. But if you want to eat a cheesecake, be prepared because the line is always long. The wait could be 1 hour to 2 hours. So what we usually do, because we love eating at cheesecake, what we usually do is like, as soon as we got here to Glendale, as soon as we get here to the Americana, we put our name down on cheesecake, and then we walk around, we shop around, and then when we're ready, we go there because it usually takes forever. And if you're really hungry, I don't suggest you go to cheesecake and wait in line for 1.5 hours. Besides cheesecake, you have a lot of other restaurants like Tatsuya if you like sushi and Japanese food. You also have Bar Verde inside Nordstrom, which is amazing. I love it. The happy hour there is great. They also have an Italian restaurant, which I don't remember the name, but it's located right behind me. I'm gonna show you very soon that place because it's one of my favorite ones, even though I don't remember the name, but I made sure I get the name and put it down here. So as you can see, you have a lot of options for dining right here in the Americana at Glendale. And you also have the cinema. And guess what? We can go to the cinema now. It is open. So it is right there. Okay, you didn't see it. I'll show it to you in a minute. I am not really into sweet. I rather have food, like real food, like pasta, like rice, like beans and chicken. But Le Duret has one of the greatest coffees ever. So if you happen to be in Americana and you love sweet and coffee, this is the best place to have both of them. Usually on the weekends, they have live bands playing in this beautiful ground. Today's Sunday, I don't know why they haven't started. I think it's too early. It's probably later on in the afternoon. But if you are bored in the hotel while you travel and you want to do something fun and you don't want to spend that much money, here is great to come because you have free live music and you also have great restaurants. And what else do you have here? Baby, what else do they have here? You lived here for such a long time.
Well, I don't know if you show them the movie theater and you show them?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, the Americana is an amazing place. Like they have so many stores, so many restaurants. Also here in Glendale, I used to live in Glendale. I love Glendale. There is a week, like two weeks event every year, which is like, it's called Glendale Tech, which a lot of tech companies come here and like they show their products or their services, and it's amazing. So that's another thing you should check it out, like the Glendale's Tech Week, which is amazing. But I would say, yeah, here in LA, the Americana, amazing for sure. Come here every day, love it.
What's your favorite restaurant here?
Well, my favorite restaurant is the Cheesecake Factory, and like we go there like, I don't know, twice, 3 times a month. It depends. They have the best bread ever I have had in my life. It's amazing bread, and you can ask for bread again and again and again. So like, which is even better. So yeah, highly recommended.
And what's my favorite restaurant?
Oh, she likes more the Italian restaurant. So I'm not a fan of Italian food, but she loves it, and that restaurant is really good too. So you guys for sure check it out, either cheesecake or Italian. Good.
We're gonna try the cheese bread. I mean the cheesecake bread now.
I recommend the cheesecake. It's a free bread.
So we are in Glendale right now in the Americana, and this is very close to downtown. So if you happen to be traveling in Los Angeles and you want to explore La Americana in downtown the same day, this is possible. And another thing that is very interesting is that the Armenian community in Glendale is huge, and they're really nice people. I love their food. So if you're into exploring different types of food and culture, come to Glendale and try the Armenian food, which is delicious. Well, I love food. That's my jacket. It was freezing when we left this morning, and now it's hot. Be prepared. This is LA. Very cold in the morning, super hot at 12, and then again at 5, super cold. This is the entrance of the live inside area of the Americana at Glendale. Look how beautiful this is. But I can't believe that we always come here, and I didn't know that this piano plays by itself. No one is playing the piano right now.
Hey guys, I don't know if Diana told you guys that I'm original from Cuba. Well, you probably know my accent, so we probably say like, oh, where is this guy's from? So yeah, I'm original from Cuba. And then when I moved to, I wanted to say something in this video. It's like when I moved from, well, I first lived in Miami for like a year, but the first day I came to LA, that night I came to the Americana, and I was like in shock. Like I really was like in a different world, you know, like because really like it, really like was so impressed. Like everything was new, everything was beautiful. So yeah, I'm in love with Americana. That's what I was telling Diana, that I want to be in this video, because for me, I know she's doing like all this traveling video for you guys, and I know in her like that she's doing that, and me not being part of this video, I will be like feeling like no, like that's what I told her. Like I really wanted to be, and I really want to express like how much I love the Americana.
So as you can see, the Americana is a really big shopping center and dining place, but also across the street you have Galleria. Galleria was open before the Americana, and you have a lot more stores there. You have Target, you have Victoria's Secret, you have a lot of different stores. So if you don't find what you're looking for here at the Americana at Grand, you can just cross the street and go to Galleria. Interesting fact, they started building the Americana in 2006 and they opened in 2008, and very soon I'm gonna do the Grove, which is another shopping center here in Los Angeles. Really fun to walk around. shop and dine, but I was told that it belongs to the same owner, Caruso. I hope I'm pronouncing his last name correctly. I love the Americana no matter what, but the Americana is a very, very special place for me because here is where Francisco asked me to be his wife. Well, his fiancée first. So I also told you guys that I love Bar Verde, which is inside Nordstrom. Well, the best happy hour is right there. I don't know any other happy hour right here at the mall, but that one is perfect. So if you are looking for a great happy hour, it's not only drinks, they also have a menu happy hour for food. So go to Bar Verde inside Nordstrom. Once you leave the Americana, you are located right here on Brand Boulevard, which is a really long street where you can find a lot more restaurants, a lot more stores, and if you just want to walk around and enjoy, this is a great area to do so. Well guys, everything has to come to an end, and this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoy all the tips that I give you about the Americana here at Glendale. And if you find any value in this video or in any of my other videos, please leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification button so you can get the notifications every time I upload a new video every Sunday morning. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.